Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. So if you are content creator or students or business owner, can save you a lot of time effort. So normally making a video takes editing skills, expensive software and lot of time. But now AI can do most of work for you. So tool like Lumen5 can turn your text, blog or post or simple idea into a video. The AI will automatically create a screen, add image, video clip, music and even animation. So you don't need any video editing experience. So this is very useful for your YouTube video, Facebook ad, Instagram reels, business promotion and even education content. So in this video I will show you step by step how this AI tool works and how easy to create your own video. So make sure you don't skip the video. Watch until the end because you might find the tool that completely change the way you create the content. So let's start. So first of all, open the Google browser. So there are many AI video websites on the internet. But today we are focusing on one powerful tool called Lumen5. So I'll show you how it works. So what features it offer and how you can create a professional video easily using AI. So don't worry if you are never editing a video before. So Lumen5 most of the hard work for you. So let's see why millions of users and business use this platform to create a video quickly and easily. So let's search here Lumen5. Click it. Here Lumen5 AI make video maker. Click it. So you know the best part is that everything works directly in your browser. You can create a video much faster than traditional editing software, making it perfect for content creator, business, teachers and marketers. So let's create a new video. Here have create a new video. Click it, create a new video, click it. Choose a template. Have many templates. You can search here template and here education, healthcare, real estate, hospitality, everything here. You can choose here education also. Then you can create an education template. Here have many education template you can see here. So I'm going to choose education. I'll click here and I show you the education preview. So here have many education preview. Click it. Here have format. You can change the sizes. So here have color plate. You can choose any color plates. So here have many templates. You have many template options. You can choose. Let's check any templates. Here we check here. Click preview. Scroll down and see many templates are there. So here have many template options. So there are different category for different types of video. And select the one of best match your content. For example, I'm going to choose education template to show how it works. So I'm going to choose education template. I click it. So choose any template that match your video style. So if you don't have any script, don't worry. You can use ChatGPT to generate the video ideas, write a script or even create a full video outline in a second. So simply copy the script and ChatGPT to paste into a Lumen5. So let the AI create your video automatically. Here you can see the preview. So format. Here have format. So format that match your platform. For YouTube use landscape format, for TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Short use format. Packing the format that help your video to look professional on every platform. Can also customize the color to match your brand or style. So change the background colors or text or everything to make your video stand out and more attractive. You have colors, you can change it everything from here. So let's make the video. So I'm going to choose education template. Scroll down and see I have many templates. So I'm going to choose this one. Click it, preview. So you can change the format, and here you can change the colors. You can match any color from here. You can see you have many colors. You can change the color. So use this template. Click it to use this template. Click it. Choose how to get started. So click this one, AI voice over. Click it. So you can see here what content do you want to turn into your video. So here you have to write script. So already I have noted the script. So here click here and paste it. So you are making a video, so read everything. Alright, and skip and use all content has it. Click it. So you can see here, play it.
Study room with 2 chairs, a table, a book rack, and a window. Scene. Hi, what are you doing? I'm reading a book. What about you? I finished my... Shall we play together? We can play later. Let's learn something new first. We can study together and help each other. Yes, learning with friends is fun. We learned a lot today. And now it's time to play. Yay!
And click here to generate the video. Click it.
2 chairs, a table, a book rack, and a window.
So here click here to preview.
Room. Hi, what are you doing? I'm reading a book. What about you? I finished my homework. Shall we play together? We can play later. Let's learn something new first. That's a great idea. We can study together and help each other. Yes, learning with friends is fun. They sit at the table and look at a book together. We learned a lot today. And now it's time to play. Yay, let's go! Best friends learn and play together. Both kids stand up, smile at each other, and laugh together while looking happy.
So you can click here to publish. Click it.
Yay! Let's go. Best friends
Our AI video is ready now. As you see, Lumen5 make video creation quick and easily. So even if you have no editing experience, give it a try and create your own video in just a few minutes. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share and subscribe and turn on notification for more videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.